Hi, I am Sonali and you are watching my channel Golden Days with me. Today I am going to see something special. Let's go with me. Mesozoic era is called the Age of Dinosaurs, Age of Reptiles, and Age of Conifers. Children love to read dinosaur story. They love to watch dinosaurs movie and they love to watch dinosaurs cartoon. Do you know Mumbai has one special monument from Mesozoic era? Yes, it is from Mesozoic era. Its name is Gilbert Hill. So, Gilbert Hill of Mumbai as old as Age of Reptiles, as Age of Dinosaur. Now, I will share with you about Gilbert Hill and then I will tell you how it was formed during Mesozoic era and how dinosaur extinct from earth. Gilbert Hill is 66 million years old. 200 feet monolith column of black basalt rocks. The rock has a sheer vertical face and was formed when molten lava was squeezed out at the earth's clefts during Mesozoic era. So, the Gilbert Hill was formed during a volcanic lava spread of Mesozoic era. About 66 million years ago, a giant asteroid blasted into Earth. After that, a volcanic eruption caused, which destroyed about 75% of all life on Earth, including large dinosaurs. Generally, volcanic mountains are formed when lava rising to the surface and solidifies. With each subsequent eruption, the debris starts piling up higher and higher to form a mountain. However, sometimes lava behaves differently. It suddenly rises up vertically with great force, then cooled and solidified to form rock. There are three this kind of monuments present in the whole world. One is Gilbert Hill and other two are the Devil's Tower National Monument in Wyoming and the Devil's Postpile National Monument in Eastern California, USA. And both monuments are very well protected and very popular tourist attractions in USA. Now, question is why Mumbai's monument's name is Gilbert Hill? Because American geologist G.K. Gilbert studied and codified this. For that, its name is Gilbert Hill in Mumbai. Gilbert Hill was declared a national park in 1952 by the central government under the Forest Act. In 2007, with help of many environmentalists and geologists, the hill was declared a Grade 2 heritage structure by the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai, and all other activities around the monument were prohibited. But very sad thing, it is surrounded on three sides by almost same height apartment complexes. Gilbert Hill has faced severe erosion problems also. It's now eroding very fast. Happy to see that some work is now going on to save erosion, to save Gilbert Hill. Gilbert Hill is located Andheri, Mumbai, India. It is 20 minutes by auto rickshaw from Andheri station. But if you are planning to visit by car, keep in mind roads are very narrow, bumpy, area is very crowded. And also keep in mind that there are two routes. If you want to reach bottom of the hill, then ask route of Gilbert Hill. But if you want to climb the hill to visit temple, then ask for route of Gwan Devi temple. Gwan Devi temple is present at the top of Gilbert Hill. Gilbert Hill is amazing, stunning. It is not a tourist spot yet. But when I reached there, a question came in my mind. Why it is not a famous tourist spot of Mumbai? It is 66 million years old. It is monument of Mesozoic era. Then I heard that some efforts are going on to convert Gilbert Hill into a tourist attraction and include it as a stop of Mumbai tour by Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation. So, feeling very happy to hear that. So friends, visit Gilbert Hill with your kids as soon as possible, because tell them it's from Mesozoic era. It's from their favorite dinosaurs era. Thank you so much. I think you enjoyed my video. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon.